beast mode.
Yeah.
All right. The last
Good
two
luck.
football games against this defense, the Carolina Panthers, they're averaging 94.5 yards. That's one down. Now you got to keep them out of the end zone. The last two times these two teams played, the Seattle Seahawks averaged 12.5 points. That's two down. And one more in the red zone. 0 for 6. When your opponent is kicking field goals, you definitely have a shot to win football games. And the Carolina Panther defense is hot right now, Nate.
It's that defensive front. They have to stop beast mode. They have to figure out his diet with the Skittles, whatever it is. Let's replace the Skittles. But here's the thing. They have to contain Russell Wilson as well, because Russell will be able to utilize his footwork, whether it's negotiating the line of scrimmage, making the DBs jump up, hitting those receivers. Here's the thing. If I'm the Carolina Panthers, I'm telling myself, we're going to make Russell Wilson beat us with his arm, not his legs and not Marshawn Lynch. You have to focus on Marshawn Lynch and keeping that containment of Russell Wilson.
As a defensive lineman, that's a lot easier said than done.
Very much so. Very much so. But
I mean, I'm just sitting here thinking about, like, how would I contain him to the fact that what Nate is talking about? That's hard.
it's going to be tough, but if you send those wide ends, tell them, guys, listen, don't get too excited. Don't try to take them down, and have Luke Kuechly focus on Russell, because he is a playmaker, and you're going to have him robbing everything in the middle of the field.
Well, the Panthers really have come on of late as far as defense is concerned. Over the last 5 weeks, they're only giving up 11.8 points per game. That is pretty impressive.